So you're ready to start a construction company in 2025 and you don't know where to start. I've coached hundreds of construction companies. I currently run 6, 7, and 8-figure companies in the construction space, and I've learned a few things about what works and what doesn't to create success in this industry. Here are 5 types of companies in the construction space that I think are best to start in 2025. The first is an outdoor living, like luxury landscape company. As people right now who are staying home more, being outdoors, and like moving, if the real estate market is not as apt, they're putting more money into their outdoor space. Overall, it's a very easy industry to get into from the standpoint of being outside somebody's home is easier than inside somebody's home. Like when you're doing construction, working outside their home compared to working inside their home is completely different. But landscaping has all different variables. You can do simple patios, you can do complex patios, you can kind of start small and go bigger. Like when you're doing hardscapes and landscaping, you can start with a flower bed and make money, and you can expand your skill set from there. You know, if you're starting the company with subs, they're easy to find. Like landscape is a very well-known, very easy to find sub base, and there's supply houses all over the place. So it's an easy to get into, it's easy to find, and you can start small and scale from there. And it creates a very good flow of an opportunity for you to build business with your neighbors. The next one is storm damage restoration companies. So roofing or other types of flood, fire, those types of things, because there is always a demand for reactive insurance style work. Dealing with insurance companies can be a challenge, but when you learn the game plan there and you learn the lingo, it's super easy to manage. And when people have a problem, they have to do something about it. The difference between like storm work and elective work is not everybody wants to remodel their kitchen. If you have storm damage or fire damage or flood damage, you have to do something about that. And ultimately, you're not paying for it. The insurance company is. So there's a lot of that work going on around the US, and it can be simple, not easy, but simple to get into that space, learn the lingo of the insurance company, and be able to create more consistent cash flow. The next one is high-end metal buildings and barn dominiums. So that space right now is scaling because of cost of build. As residential construction costs are growing, metal buildings and barn dominiums are a simpler construction process. So if you have good project management skills and you know how to manage other people like subs and suppliers, this can be a really great industry to get into because the lower cost of build. A lot of people right now trying to build custom homes and build spaces on their properties are discouraged because of typical construction costs going up. This space is simpler construction, simpler process at a more cost-friendly price point. So getting into that space right now, there's a lot of demand, a lot of interest. It's kind of a Pinterest hot topic right now, and there's a lot of people looking for it. So that'd be a great place to start a construction company in 2025. I think the next one is luxury bathroom and kitchen remodeling. This is not the easiest to get into, but there's very few people, I think, doing high-end luxury kitchens and bathrooms well. And there's a lot of people that do moderate, low-end stuff at scale pretty successfully, but high-end luxury kitchens and bathrooms, in my opinion, is a great place to start because there is not a lot of competition at that point doing things at a very high level. In that space, the client experience is the most important. So if you're going to get into that space, make sure that you understand how to develop a really high-end client experience, and that will lead to high-end client projects. A lot of people in the kitchen and bathroom space struggle elevating into the luxury market because they don't take the client experience seriously. So again, there's some competition. It's not easy, but it is pretty simple to build something that you can deliver to a marketplace for a product right now that I don't think is being serviced at the highest level. The last one is metal roof coverings and coatings. So when you get into that commercial space, if you understand commercial construction, coatings and metal roofing becomes a more affordable repair option to create longevity to a property. Like as opposed to replacing a commercial roof or a flat roof, coatings can be a great way to get an extended life. So when someone doesn't have the money in a commercial property to invest in a full roof replacement, coatings can be a really great, easy service. If you don't want to get into full roofing construction, which has some complexities to it, specifically in the commercial space, coatings is basically rolling on paint. It's profitable because you can charge the right amount, but it's still less than a replacement. So it's a very attractive offer to the commercial building space. So if you know anybody with commercial real estate, with flat roofs, that option, if you're connected in that space, can be really easy because it's a low-cost solution to a high-cost problem because it allows them to invest less, but still solve what they're dealing with their aging, leaks, and those things happening on flat roofs. So that'd be a great way. Coatings can be an awesome option to create a high desirable product that people are looking for right now. So if you're serious about starting a company in 2025, I would highly encourage you to click the link in the comment below and get into our free Small Business Academy. We coach contractors for a living. Inside of my companies, we coach, consult, and market for guys like you. So if you're interested in bypassing some of the hard lessons we learned the expensive way, get into the free course, learn some lessons, deploy them into your new construction company so that you can win fast and win often.